Good morning, Bay Area. I'm Ryan Leong, and we are here on State Route 128 by the Napa River Bridge in Rutherford, California. And the reason we're out here this morning is to show you that we're doing some preventative maintenance out here to clear this roadway of all the debris and the dirt and whatever else gets built up thanks to Mother Nature. And we're doing this so we can clear the road when the rainy season comes, which is coming up pretty soon. It'll be winter before you know it. Now, let me step out of the shot here and show you. So all this dirt is being piled up. We had a grader come through and get all the dirt off the guardrail and also off the bridge as well. Clear that out. We might even have some workers come out here and also by hand get the dirt out into the roadway. And then we'll get loaders and dump trucks and we will clear this dirt out and haul it away. And hopefully the maintenance work that's being done here will last at least a few years. You want to make sure that the roadway is clear as possible because when the rains do come, the water needs to drain. It won't drain if there's all this dirt and other debris in the roadway. And you'll see on the other side of the road that all this has been already cleared up. They did this work yesterday and did a fabulous job. And we thank you, the public, for all your patience as we at Caltrans do our very best to make sure that we provide a safe and smooth driving experience for you as you make your way through our California roadways. Thank you again, Bay Area, and we'll see you soon.